In the previous class, we discussed the topic, some of the things God provide for us. God has provided and He continues to provide much more for our needs. In today's class, we will be discussing the topic God wants us to work. Work is a job or an activity that we do regularly, especially in order to earn money. Such job or activity includes fishing, carpentry, teaching and many more, as we shall see later. God worked for 6 days and rested on the seventh day. God created Adam and Eve. He put them in the garden to work and to till and keep it. Work is what you do regularly in order to earn a living. God wants us to work so that we can earn a living and take care of our basic needs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.